This is a 2023. It's a Ford STX trim package with the 5.0 motor in it. Don't see any exhaust coming out the back because we tucked them out in front of the rear wheels. What we call a old school TA style. Just do it a little different sometimes. Nice and clean with a nice Magnaflow Wide Open mufflers, the dual in, dual out with a built-in X pipe. Coming true dual exhaust right off the catalytic converters. Brand new truck, should give it a good rumble. Let's see what it sounds like. Got a good sound to it. Hard to beat them Magnaflows.